Hi, welcome to this short video. My name is Thomas Hoffmann-Walbeck and I would like to present a little tool to you. I called it Workflow Arrows, and it is a tool for visualizing production processes. The underlying model is called Process Resource Model, and it's often used in the print production, for example. Before I will launch the tool, let me explain briefly what a process resource model is all about. In the vector graphics, the yellow rectangle represents a single process. Each blue one is called a resource. Processes are actions, while resources are either physical entities, files, or parameter sets. Resource 1, 1A, and 1B are input resources for process A. That is, the process A needs these resources to execute. On the other hand, process A generates resource 2, which in turn is a necessary input resource for the next process, that is, process B. Process B might need more input resources like resource 2A and 2B. In contrast to resource 2, these resources are simple input resources only, while resource 2 is an output resource as well. I am calling such a resource transitional. The transitional resource 2 actually defines the sequence of the processes. Process A needs to execute before process B. Thus, these transitional resources are the most important ones. In the following, we will concentrate mainly on those resources in order to simplify our charts. A production model consists of a chain of processes and resources. Furthermore, we sometimes merge several processes together. These are called process groups and have a gray color. Again, process groups simplify charts of production models. Here you can see a screenshot of the tool Workflow Arrows. We will start it in a minute. Before that, please note the web address of this tool. We encourage you to try it yourself. The idea is to put processes and resources next to each other to generate a workflow. An arrow defines the relation between two cards. In the graphic, there is a process folding which generates an output resource folded sheets. Please note that the arrow between the two cards is split in two parts. The arrow knock is on the right-hand side of the process card, while the arrow head is on the left-hand side of the resource card. Alright, let's open the tool in the browser and have a look at the user interface first. On the top there's a menu. Under Card Type you can select a process, a resource, or a process group. Under Left, Top, Right and Bottom you can generate an arrow part, that is either an arrow knock, an arrow head, or nothing at all. Under Name you can choose a process or a resource or a process group from a list. If you don't find the right name in the list, please define your own. Great, let's go ahead. Assuming we want to create a workflow with a magic wand that works a miracle and the outcome would be a final product. So, what do we have to do? First, we choose a resource. The resource should be the starting card. So there should be nothing on the left-hand side, nothing on the top. On the right-hand side should be a knock to the neighboring card, and the bottom again should be nothing. The name of the resource should be magic wand, but there is nothing like that in this list, so we create our own stuff. And hit on Go to see the first resource card. Next would be a process, and the process has a head on the left hand side, nothing on the top, and a knock on the right hand side and nothing on the bottom. The process should be work a miracle. Again, this is not in this list, so work a miracle. This one snaps to the right, to the magic wand. Let's say we want to check this workflow now, and then you will get a message saying the neighbor on the right is missing and there's no end card, which is true. So we need one more resource, and the resource has a head on the left, nothing on the top, nothing on the right because that's the end card, and nothing on the bottom. And the resource should be the final product, and this could be in the list, so final product, here we are. Let's check again. Everything seems to be alright. That is, only the syntax of the process resource model is checked, nothing else. Here you can see a more meaningful production model. It shows the production of a hardcover book. However, it's far too complicated to go into details in this short video. Well, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Have fun with creating your own workflows. Thank you very much.